While we recognize these operational gains, we must remain equally vigilant in protecting our youth. The recent incidents reported in Cavite, Tacloban, Tolosa, and Apari remind us that school safety requires constant attention and close partnership with our communities. I therefore direct all police units to strengthen coordination with school officials, local government units, the family through their parents and community leaders, increase police visibility around schools, intensify crime prevention programs, and strengthen youth engagement initiatives. Keeping our schools safe begins long before a crime is committed. Prevention is just as important as enforcement. Ang bawat paaralan ay dapat manatiling ligtas. Every school should be a place where our children can learn and grow without fear. To all parents, rest assured that your PNP remain committed to helping keep our schools safe.